So some sad moments on the Elantra today. We got a new racing stripe, unfortunately. See if I can even get it to come up on the camera. It's honestly really hard. You can see it right there. To the naked eye, it's pretty obvious, but the camera doesn't like to pick up on it. And unfortunately, I thought my camera was dirty because I didn't have a time to wash it, but actually, it's not. So I'm gonna have to replace this, I think. So for now, I'm pulling the broken glass out of there, so I might be able to see a little bit better in the meantime, but I'll have to get a replacement for that. So I'll see hopefully if that makes it so I can see where I'm parking again. So I peeled some of the glass off the lens, and I would not recommend. As you can see, it made it pretty bad. It needed the lens so that it could focus the image, but luckily I spoke with the company and they actually sent me a new camera so I could go ahead and replace that and get that fixed. It's a big help for me parking nose in to make sure I don't rip off my front splitter, so I'm really excited to get the new one on there. Shout out to MTFO, they sent me out a whole system. All I needed was the camera. Just got to replace that up in there. Moment of truth. Looks good.